All right, let me do it like this just in case. So, Bonjour Mon Petites, it is, oh wait, PYT. You need some loving. Then I said pause, and I'll take you there. The TV's not pausing. I want to love you, pretty young thing. Tender love and care, and I'll take you there. Oh, because I'm here, I have to hit okay. Bonjour Mon Petites, it is I, the fabulous Trice, back with another video, and in today's video, we are doing this really easy, super simple. It can be an everyday look if you like want to tone down the lashes or the liner a little bit, but like the face and the eyes are pretty like standard everyday look type situation. So there's not much to explain in the beginning of the video in this intro, so if you want to see how I got this look, just keep on watching and I will show you how to get her done, and I'll catch you on the other side. So like I said, for my everyday makeup, it's really simple. I'm using a medium coverage foundation, and I like to use liquid foundation for my everyday looks. For some reason, it's just faster for me to work with. So I'm just going to dot this all over my face, and I'm going to use a foundation brush to paint myself. Stand all of a sudden and run without a warning, leave her with many questions. Then I grab a blender sponge thingy thing and just buff and make sure that everything is great and we all nice and blended and even, and you know the foundation is on point. Here to tell you. Now next, because I want to make sure that I look all fresh and bright and give myself a little youthful glow and whatnot, I'm going to take my concealer that's like 76 shades lighter than myself. I'm using the LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade medium beige, I think, and I use a little bit of toffee up in there too, and I'm just gonna highlight the center of my face because I want to bring all the light to the center of my face so I look wide awake and fresh and beautiful and stuff, you know what I'm saying? Then I'm gonna take my esponja and I'm gonna blend the whole thing out, you know, so it looks even and like my face is naturally like this, even though we know it ain't, because I be looking tired, girl. I be looking tired. I'm going to do the same thing to my nosal and foreheadal area. So I have this, you know, white-ish glow in the middle of my face, like there's a spotlight in the middle of my face. You know, I'm trying to get my Morticia Addams on a little bit, just a little bit. But we're going to, you know, we're going to even all that out in a second. Just watch. Times before. So now that I have awakened myself and brightened and refreshed and all that good stuff, I am going to bring some depth back into my face, and I'm going to use my Anastasia Beverly Hills contour kit. I'm using the shade Chocolate, and I'm going to carve things out in my face, i.e. a nose. Necesito un nariz, and I'm going to, or is it una nariz? I think it's una. Anyway, I need a nose, so I'm gonna give myself a nose. Watch me. But I don't want to. I guess I'm only here to tell you. You shouldn't. I forgot to mention we're gonna sharpen up that jawline too. You know what I'm saying? Sharpen it up. Now I'm going to take this e.l.f. stippling brush and I am going to boof everything on out. This is where we are creating these shadows. But like I said, it seems like I'm doing a lot, but I promise you this took me all of 30 minutes, maybe. But it's so simple. Au clair for Lord, it's simple. And then for my nose, I legit just use my finger and, you know, blend everything nice and good. And I don't go all the way down, like from the top of my brows to literally to the tip of my nose, because my nose is not set up like that. So I don't want to create something that actually ain't there. I just want to, you know, enhance what I got and make it cute. I'm going to take my Sacha Buttercup powder and set everything. And if you've been watching my videos for a while, then you know me and you know I do not bake. I set. I press it in nice and good. Make sure that it's there, that it's chilling, that it is all grisavy. What you think it is, and she believes it is. You seal it with the same old kiss. Her eyes blinking somehow. Following the setting of the bright areas of my face, I am now going to set the shadowy areas of my face. I'm using my Black Radiance Contour palette, the powder one, not the cream one. And I'm just gonna set everywhere that I put the contour cream. Et finalement, I'm going to take a big old fluffy brush and my Black Radiance True Deluxe Setting Powder, Finishing Powder I think it's called, using that in the shade Dark, and I'm going to set everywhere that was not set with anything else, blend anything that needs to be blended, and make sure that we all good. Real quick for my eyes, I'm going to take this fluffy Morphe brush, and on my lid, I'm going to put, from the Juvia's Place Masquerade palette, Burkina on my lid, and then Fulani in the crease. And I forgot to show the part where I just sharpened up my cheekbone contour, and I just used some setting powder to do that. And that's what the yellow stuff is on my face. It's just kind of sitting there. That is baking, just so it can be short, real short. After that, I'm going to line my eyes. Throw some mascara on my bottom lashes. I don't do mascara on my top lashes. I don't like it. Then I'm going to pop on my lashes. Today I'm using Kiss Faux Mink lashes in the style Midnight. And I love these lashes, some of my favorites. I'm going to curl my lashes because I have big eyes and I like them big. And if my lashes are too big and heavy and not open enough, they make my eyes look smaller. And I don't like that. So I curl my lashes. Now I'm looking kind of dull, so I want to use some refresher spray to just mist myself and wake it up. And then I'm going to highlight, and this is the first time I'm using this highlight from Meraki Cosmetics. I'm using the shade Phoebe. Woo! Oh, that's pretty. Stand all of a sudden and run without a Ooh, that's gorgeous. So I think it's a bit obvious that my first impression of this stuff is a fabulous one. Now I'm going to line my lips. I'm using the same old brown beauty supply store lip liner that I always use all the time. Then I'm going to top that with NYX Tinted Lip Spot in the shade Hush. I'm going to finish that off with Colored Rain's Cappuccino. I am not sure if they still carry this shade, but this had a final look. My gal, we are done. Okay guys, so that brings us to the end of another tutorial with Trice. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, please make sure to give me a big old thumbs up. I would greatly appreciate it. Drop me a comment below and let me know your thoughts. Let me know if there's any other looks that you want to see, any hair looks that you want to see. I probably won't get around to doing them until like May, June when I get my arm back, but I need to have my arsenal stocked. So let me know what's up. Let me know what you want to see, you know, so I can try and crank them out. I think that's all there is to say, and there is no more, except as always, thank you guys so much for watching. I love you, and I will catch you in the next video. Mwah. Can't seem to get up again. Bye.